Is scheduling meetings a constant headache for you? Do you find yourself drowning in endless email chains, back and forths, and time zone calculations just to lock down a simple 30-minute chat? And then you stumble across HubSpot Meetings, a tool that promises to streamline everything. But a nagging question pops up. Do I really need to pay for this? Is it worth it? Let's be honest, we've all been there. You see a tool that promises to solve a problem, but the moment you see a price tag, you pause. You start wondering, can't I just do this myself? Is it really worth the investment? Especially when you're dealing with something as seemingly simple as scheduling a meeting. The truth is, time is money. And if you're spending hours every week wrestling with your calendar, you're losing valuable time that could be spent on growing your business, closing deals, or simply taking a well-deserved break. Think about it. How many times have you sent out a "Does Tuesday at 2 p.m. work?" email, only to get a reply saying, "Actually, I'm busy then. How about Thursday at 10 a.m.? And then the cycle repeats. You're playing calendar ping pong and it's exhausting. Now, imagine a world where you simply send a link. Your contact clicks it, sees your available slots, and books a time that works for them. No back and forth, no confusion, just a confirmed meeting. That's the promise of HubSpot Meetings. But like any good promise, it comes with a few caveats. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty and answer the burning question. Do you need to pay for HubSpot Meetings? First, let's clarify what HubSpot Meetings actually is. It's a tool within the HubSpot ecosystem that allows you to create personalized meeting links. These links connect directly to your calendar, showing your real-time availability. Your contacts can then choose a time that suits them, and the meeting is automatically added to both of your calendars. Now, here's the crucial part. HubSpot Meetings has a free version. Yes, you heard that right, free. You can start using it without spending a dime. So what does the free version offer? It allows you to create personal meeting links, integrate with Google Calendar and Office 365, and embed your meeting scheduler on your website. That's a pretty solid foundation for basic scheduling needs. For many individuals and small businesses, the free version might be all they ever need. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or solo entrepreneur, and you primarily schedule one-on-one meetings, the free version is likely sufficient. However, as your business grows and your scheduling needs become more complex, you might find yourself bumping up against the limitations of the free version. This is where the paid versions of HubSpot come into play. HubSpot Sales Hub and Service Hub, which include advanced meeting features, offer a range of functionalities that can significantly enhance your scheduling workflow. Let's break down some of the key features that you get with the paid versions. Team meeting links. With the paid versions, you can create team meeting links. This allows multiple team members to be available for a meeting, and the system automatically assigns the meeting to the most available person. This is incredibly useful for sales teams, support teams, or any team that needs to coordinate schedules. Round-robin meetings. This feature allows you to distribute meetings evenly among your team members. For example, if you have a sales team of 5, you can set up a round-robin meeting link, and the system will automatically assign new meetings to the next available salesperson. Customizable meeting pages. The paid versions allow you to customize the look and feel of your meeting pages. You can add your company logo, branding, and custom messaging, creating a more professional and personalized experience for your contacts. Automated reminders and follow-ups. You can set up automated email reminders and follow-ups, ensuring that your contacts don't forget about their scheduled meetings. This can significantly reduce no-shows and improve attendance rates. Workflow integration. With the paid versions, you can integrate your meeting scheduler with HubSpot's powerful workflows. This allows you to automate tasks based on meeting bookings, such as sending follow-up emails, creating tasks, or updating contact records. Reporting and analytics. You can track meeting data, such as the number of meetings booked, attendance rates, and conversion rates. This data can provide valuable insights into your scheduling efficiency and help you identify areas for improvement. Now, let's get back to the core question. Do you need to pay for these features? The answer, as with most things, is it depends. If you're a small business or individual with basic scheduling needs, the free version of HubSpot Meetings is a great starting point. It's easy to use, integrates with popular calendars, and gets the job done. However, if you're a growing business with complex scheduling needs, the paid versions of HubSpot offer a range of features that can significantly improve your efficiency and productivity. For example, if you have a sales team that's constantly scheduling demos and consultations, the team meeting links and round-robin features can save you a significant amount of time and effort. If you're a customer support team that's managing a high volume of support calls, the automated reminders and follow-ups can help reduce no-shows and improve customer satisfaction. And if you're a marketing team that's tracking meeting data and analyzing conversion rates, the reporting and analytics features can provide valuable insights into your campaign performance. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for HubSpot meetings comes down to your specific needs and budget. Consider these questions. How many meetings do you schedule each week? How many people are involved in your scheduling process? Do you need to customize your meeting pages? Do you need to automate reminders and follow-ups? Do you need to track meeting data and analyze conversion rates? If you answered yes to most of these questions, the paid versions of HubSpot are likely a worthwhile investment. If you're still unsure, I recommend starting with the free version and testing it out. See how it works for you and your team. If you find yourself needing more advanced features, you can always upgrade later. Remember, the goal is to find a scheduling solution that works best for you and your business. Whether that's the free version or a paid version, the important thing is that it helps you save time, reduce stress, and improve your overall efficiency. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. And don't let the fear of a price tag hold you back from exploring tools that can significantly improve your business. Ultimately, the value of HubSpot meetings or any tool is determined by how much it helps you achieve your goals. If it saves you time, improves your productivity, and helps you close more deals, then it's worth the investment. So, take a look at your scheduling workflow, analyze your needs, and decide whether the free version or the paid versions of HubSpot meetings are the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.